Hello, and welcome to Acadlix LMS. In this video, we'll explore how you can create quiz questions using AI in Acadlix. This feature helps you save time while maintaining strong academic quality and control. Let's begin by creating a new quiz. Click on the Add button. For this walkthrough, we'll load a pre-configured template to move faster. These are the quiz settings included in the template. Simply click Save Changes to create the quiz. The quiz is now ready, but currently it has no questions. To add questions, click on the Q icon to open the question page. Now click Add Questions with AI. Here, you'll see multiple options to generate questions. For faster question creation, use the Simple Prompt option. Enter your prompt. Then configure any additional fields you want the AI to generate. If you have reference material, you can also add source text to improve relevance. Now click Generate Questions. Depending on the number of questions, processing may take a few moments. Once completed, AI-generated questions will appear here. Each question includes structured options, and the correct answer is highlighted for easy review. Acadlix gives you full control over what gets added to your quiz. Select questions individually, or use Select All if everything looks good. Click Save Changes to add the selected questions. You can also use bulk actions to assign subjects quickly. Now let's explore the advanced AI question generator. Click again on Add Questions with AI. Then enable Advanced Options. Here, you'll find more detailed configuration controls. Start by selecting a subject, then choose the difficulty level. Next, select the question type. For this example, we'll generate true or false questions. Set the number of options, and define how many questions you want to create. You can add multiple content chunks if needed. Use the Duplicate Row option to save time when making small variations. Now click Generate Questions. AI will begin creating questions, chunk by chunk. Once generation is complete, review the questions carefully. While AI significantly reduces effort, final academic validation is always recommended. After selecting the questions, click Save Changes, and your AI-generated questions are now added to the quiz. This is how Acadlix helps you create assessments faster, while maintaining full instructional control. Acadlix LMS. Smarter assessments, better learning. We hope this video helps you get more value from Acadlix. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to share them in the comments. Subscribe for more tutorials, product updates, and best practices. Thank you for being part of the Acadlix learning community.